Hello friends, good morning. In previous lecture we solved the exercise 2.4 and the last question is to be solved. Now we discuss what is the last question. The question number 5, exercise 2.4. Question number 5. We see that the question is, if the polynomial x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 is divided by another polynomial x square minus 2x plus k, the remainder comes out to be x plus a. Find k and a. Px equal to x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10. Okay, and gx is x square minus 2x plus k, and rx equal to x plus a. Here two unknown quantities k and a. We have to find the values of k and a. So what the value of k? When this polynomial is divided by this polynomial, then get the remainder this. अगर px को डिवाइड करें किससे, gx से, इसमें रिमाइंडर ये आए, तो हमें यहां पर वैल्यू ऑफ k एंड a को क्या करनी है, फाइंड आउट करनी है. एज वी नो दैट डिवाइडेड इक्वल टू divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so divided minus remainder equal to divisor into quotient. Okay. Quotient equal to divided minus remainder upon divisor. Okay. For example, if we take 8 divided by 3, then 3 to the 6, here remainder 2. Okay. If we subtract the remainder from the divided 8 minus 2 and divide by divisor, then we get 6 upon 3 equal to 2. In this case, remainder will be 0. We use this in the given question. First of all, we write it as the dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. After that, we subtract the remainder from this polynomial and then we divide this minus this is subtracted, the remainder subtracted from this, and after we divide by this and then we compare the remainder with 0 to get the value of k and a. हम क्या करें, पहले पॉलिनोमियल से रिमाइंडर को माइनस करेंगे और फिर डिवीजन से डिवाइड करेंगे। As in this example, we see that here remainder is 0. In that case also the remainder will be 0. And we compare it to the given remainder and we find the value of a and k. Okay? Now, see that. We write here x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square plus 25x plus 10 equal. Here gx is not find out. Means here gx means divisor is given x square minus 2x plus 10. Quotient we write here as qx plus remainder x plus a. X plus a. Now we subtract remainder from the given polynomial here. X power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 1 minus x minus a equal to x square minus 2x plus k into qx. Now we see that x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x minus x minus 26x minus a equal to x square minus 2x plus k into qx. Now qx equal to x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 26x minus a upon x square minus 2x plus k. Okay, we get this. Now we see that here is 10, not a 1 means 10. So here this will be one term left means plus 10 minus 10. Here also plus 10 minus 10 because the question is 10. Now 10 okay, 10 minus 10. Now the our question becomes here x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 26x plus 10 minus a, which is divided by x square minus 2x plus k. Okay, now we divide this polynomial by this polynomial and the remainder which comes we equate it with 0. हम क्या करेंगे, इस पॉलिनोमियल को इस पॉलिनोमियल से डिवाइड करेंगे, रिमाइंडर जो आएगा उसको हम इक्वेट करेंगे किसके, 0 के साथ. हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या था, x पावर 4 माइनस 6x क्यूब प्लस 16x स्क्वायर प्लस 25 प्लस 10. इस पॉलिनोमियल को हमें डिवाइड करना था इस पॉलिनोमियल से x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 प्लस k से. रिमाइंडर कितना आता हमारा x प्लस k. तुम्हें वैल्यू फाइंड आउट क्या करनी थी, k और a की. हमने क्या किया, पहले इसको राइट किया अकॉर्डिंग टू डिवीजन, अकॉर्डिंग डिवाइडेड इक्वल टू डिवाइजर इनटू क्वोशिएंट प्लस रिमाइंडर. अब रिमाइंडर को हमने क्या किया, साइड माइनस कर दिया. तुम्हें एग्जैक्ट क्या मिला, क्वोशिएंट इक्वल टू होगा हमारा x पावर 4 माइनस 6x क्यूब प्लस 16x स्क्वायर प्लस 26x प्लस 10 माइनस a अपॉन x माइनस 2x प्लस k. नाउ वी सी दैट the step by step division. X power 4 minus 6x cube, x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 26x plus 10 minus 8 is divided by x square minus 2x plus k. Okay, now see that we can write in large x square minus 2x plus. Now see that here this is x power 4 and this is x square, means x power 4 divided by x square we get x square. We multiply x square to these terms, x power 4 minus 2x cube plus kx square. Here minus plus and minus, this cancel out. So minus 6 plus 2 minus 4x square, minus 4x square. Okay, here x square is common, 16 minus 3 plus 16 minus k x square minus 26x plus 10 minus k. Here the percentage x square. Now see the next step. In next step we see that it is minus 4x square. Here is minus 4x square and ठीक okay, cube x square into minus 2x minus 2x cube minus 4x cube. Now we divide minus 4x cube by x square. Okay, when we divide minus 4x cube by x square we get minus 4x. Here we multiply, here we write equation minus 4x and we multiply minus 4x to these are the terms. Here minus 4x cube minus into minus plus 8x square into 4 into k minus 4kx. Okay, now this is plus minus plus. Now see that this is cancel out. Here x square is common. This is 16 minus k minus 8 into x square, means 16 minus 8 is 8, 8 minus k x square. Here we write 8 minus k x square. Okay, now in next step we see that here this is plus and this minus. Here x is common, minus 26 plus 4k into x, we write as minus 4k minus 26 into x. Here 4k minus 26 into x. Okay, plus 10 minus 8. Now in the system we see that here the highest power is x square and here is also x square. Okay, here the highest power is x square and here also x square. Now we divide 8 minus k x square upon x square. X square cancel. Here we write 8 minus k in quotient plus 8 minus k. We multiply 8 minus k to these two terms. We get here 8 minus k into x square plus minus 2 into 8 minus k into x plus k into 8 minus k plus k into 8 minus k. Now here minus, this is plus and this minus. Okay, this is cancelled out. We see that here x is common. We take x common now. Here we see that 4k minus 26 and symbol plus. Here 2 is 16 and minus 2k. Okay, now see that x 4k minus 2k means 2k minus 26 plus 16 means minus 10. Here we write 2k minus 10 into x. Now we solve the next term. The next term is here 10 minus a plus 8k minus k square. Here minus, this will be minus 8k. How much will be minus? Plus here plus. Means the value will be k square minus 8k plus 10 minus a. The value will be k square minus 8k plus 10 minus a. Here we done. K square minus 8k plus 10 minus a. Now we see that the degree of remainder is less than the degree of divisor. Hence, the division process will not continue further. Now we compare the coefficient of this with 0 because the remainder will be 0 in that case. Now we compare 2k minus 10 into x plus k square minus 8k plus 10 minus a equal to 0 because the remainder is 0. Now if we can write as 0 into x plus 0, we compare this coefficient with this, means 2k minus 10 equal to 0 or 2k equal to 10 or k equal to 10 upon 2 equal to 5. Here k equal to 5. Now we compare second term, constant term. Here we see that k square minus 8k plus 10 minus a equal to 0. The value of k is 5. We write here 5 square minus 8 into 5 plus 10 minus a equal to 0. 5 square 25 minus 40 plus 10 minus a equal to 0. 25 plus 10, 35 minus 40 minus a equal to 0. Minus 5 minus a equal to 0. Now we see that a equal to minus 5. We find the values of k and a, which is 5 and minus 5. Okay. In this way, the question number 5 is completed. Okay. Our next lesson is pair of linear equations in two variables. Lesson 3. Pair of linear equation in two variables. In two variables. Okay. What is linear equations two variables? First of all, we discuss what is linear equations two variables. So first of all, we know that any equation is said to be linear equation when its degree will be 1. As we have learned that linear polynomial. Linear polynomial is that polynomial whose degree is 1. It may be in one variable or in two variables. We have to learn here the linear equation two variables. Now we write the definition. chapter is pair of linear equations in two variables. Clear? Now we see that linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. What is linear equation? An equation of the form an equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0, and a, b, c are real numbers. क्या? An equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0, a, b, c are real numbers. A, b, c are real numbers. Are real numbers. Okay? It's called linear equation. It's called linear equation in two variables. Here variables is x and y. The variables is x and y. Okay. So our new chapter is chapter number 3, which is pair of linear equations in two variables. First of all, we will learn about what is linear equation in two variables, as we define an equation of the form a plus b by plus c equal to 0, a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0, a, b, c are real numbers. It's called linear equation in two variables. Okay. Now, solution of linear equation in two variables. Solution of linear equation in two variables. Okay. Let ax plus by plus c equal to 0. If ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is a linear equation in two variables. Okay, in two variables, and x equal to alpha and y equal to beta are such that a alpha plus b beta plus c equal to 0, then alpha and beta are known as solution are roots of the equation. Okay, now see that solution of linear equation in two variables. Here x and y are two variables, a and b, alpha and beta are two real numbers. When it is put in this equation in place of x and y, and the value will become equal to 0, means to the right hand side, then alpha and beta are called the zeros of the linear equations, are the solution of the linear equation, are the roots of the linear equation. For example, 2y equal to 3. That is x minus 2y equal to 3. We find two values which satisfy this condition. That will be the solution of this equation. As we know that if we take x equal to 8 and y equal to 5 by 2, x equal to 8 and y equal to 5 by 2, then 8 minus 2 into 5 by 2, 2 cancel out, 8 minus 5 equal to 3, which is equal to right hand side. In that condition, 8 and 5 by 2 is the solution of this linear equations in two variables. Okay? Now, we will discuss the simultaneous linear equations in two variables. Simultaneous linear equation in two variables. Okay? Simultaneous linear equation in two variables. Two linear equations in two unknown x and y are said to form a system of simultaneous linear equations in two variables in each of them two variables. Okay, two linear equations in two unknown x and y are said to form a system of simultaneous linear equations in two variables as a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is the pair of simultaneous linear equation. Clear? This is the pair of simultaneous linear equations. Okay? The condition is that the value of x and y will satisfy these two equations. The same value of x and y will satisfy the two linear equations. Then this is known as simultaneous linear equations in two variables. Once again, the two linear equations in two unknown x and y are said to form a system of simultaneous linear equations in two variables as a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 when the same value of x and y satisfies these two linear equations, then it is known as simultaneous linear equations, two variables. Solution. Solution of simultaneous linear equation. Simultaneous linear equation. Okay. If x equal to alpha, x equal to alpha, y equal to beta are such that which satisfies that a1 alpha plus b1 beta plus c1 equal to 0 and a2 alpha plus b2 beta plus c2 equal to 0, then alpha and beta are called solution of simultaneous linear equation. Simultaneous linear equation. ओके, अगर अल्फा और बीटा इस तरह से हो जो दोनों इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई कर रहे हो, इस अल्फा और बीटा को हम क्या बोलते हैं? सिमल्टेनियस लीनियर इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन कहते हैं. एक वन एग्जांपल, एस the example is that 2x plus 3y equal to 16 and x minus 2y equal to 1. The values x equal to 5 and y equal to 2. X equal to 5 and y equal to 2 will satisfy these two equations, as we see that 2 into 5 plus 3 into 2 equal to 16 and 5 minus 2 into 2 equal to 1. 10 plus 6 equal to 16. 16 equal to 16 is right hand side equal to left hand side, and here 5 minus 4 equal to 1. 1 equal to 2 means this value of x and y satisfies these two equations simultaneously. Hence, this is the solution of the simultaneous linear equations in two variables. In next video, we will discuss the numerical problems of exercise 3.1. Thank you.